Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox low memory warning on your iPhone or iPad. This error usually means you're running out of storage or memory, which can really mess with your gameplay. Let's dive into the steps to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone storage or iPad storage. At the top, you'll see how much free space you have. For instance, you might see something like 29 gigabytes free out of 128 gigabytes total. If you have less than 2 gigabytes available, that's likely causing the error. If you're low on space, consider deleting unused apps, clearing out old photos, or moving data to cloud storage. Make sure you have at least 2 gigabytes of free space for Roblox to run smoothly. Next, scroll down through your list of apps until you find Roblox. You might need to tap Show All to see every app. Tap on Roblox and select Offload App. This will remove the app while keeping your data safe. Once offloaded, tap Reinstall App to download a fresh copy. This process often clears up memory errors caused by corrupted files. After reinstalling Roblox, go back to Settings, tap General, and then scroll down to Software Update. Check for any available updates and install them if necessary. Outdated system software can sometimes cause memory issues, so keeping your device updated is key. Once updated, restart your device. Lastly, before you launch Roblox, close any unnecessary background apps. Open your app switcher and swipe away apps you're not using. This frees up valuable memory. I always make sure only Roblox is running when I play to maximize performance. And that's it. By checking your storage, offloading and reinstalling Roblox, updating your software, and closing background apps, you should fix the low memory warning in Roblox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.